Integration is the opposite of differentiation. So when you differentiate, you times by the power, then you minus 1 from that power. In integration, you add the power and then you divide by that power. Now, when you differentiate, you go from y to dy by dx. When you integrate, you go from dy by dx back to y. So it's the opposite in more than one way. So for example, let's say we have dy by dx equals 6x plus 2x to the power minus 3 minus 3x to the power of a half. And we want y. So the first term, 6x, what do you get when you add 1 to the power? You get 2. So you would have 6x squared. And then you divide by that new power. So over 2. Next one. 2x to the power of minus 3. When you add 1 to the power, what do you get? Minus 2. And then you divide by that power. So minus 2x to the power of minus 2 over 2, like this. Or for right now, let's write it like that. Okay, the last one. 3x to the power of a half. What do you get when you add 1 to the power? You get 3 over 2. So minus 3x to the power of 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2. Now in integration, at the end, we have a constant, which we don't always know. So we leave it as c, so plus c. Okay, now it's just a matter of simplifying. So 6x squared over 2 is the same as 3x squared. 2 over minus 2 is the same as minus 1. And 3 over 3 over 2 is the same as 2 plus c. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so it's the opposite of differentiating. I've put up 3 questions, so 2A, 2B, and 2C. I want you to give those a go for me, please. So you've been given dy by dx for 3 different functions. You want y. So for the first one, when you integrate x cubed, you add 1 to the power, becomes x to the power of 4, and then you divide by that new power. Okay, next one. You add the power, so it becomes a half, and then you divide by that half. And then again, you add 1 to the power, you divide by that power. And then you're left with plus c. Now, it's just a matter of simplifying. So a quarter x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of a half plus 6x to the power of minus 1 plus c. That's what you should have at the end. That's your final answer for integrating. Part B becomes 4x to the power of 4 over 4 plus x to the power of a third over a third and x to the power of minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of a third plus x to the power of minus 1 plus c. Last one. Remember when we did differentiation, we said if there was just a number which had no x term, we cancel it out. In this case, you're doing the opposite. So the first one will contain nx. Then minus 12x to the power of minus 3 all over minus 3 plus 2x to the power of a half all over half plus c. So 4x plus 4x to the power of minus 3 plus 4x to the power of a half plus c. There you go. That is how you integrate.